Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make Dadawa jollof rice. I will be using some fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, Dadawa. Dadawa is locust beans. I have the fresh one here and the dry one. You can use either one. Smoked mackerel fish, cooked cow skin, dried fish, blended crayfish, salt, season cube. I will start by slicing the tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. You can blend them if you prefer. I'll take out the seed from the peppers and slice them as well. And once that is done, I'll put that aside. Next, I'll add some oil in the pot. You can use any oil of your choice for this recipe. Once the oil is hot, I'll add sliced onions. I'll stir and fry the onions for 2 minutes. Add the dawa and stir. Frying the dadawa in the oil helps to release more of the flavor from it. I'll add the blended crayfish and stir. At this point, you want to reduce the heat so it doesn't get burnt. Add the tomatoes, peppers, season cube, salt, and stir. I'll cover and allow the sauce to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll add the cooked cow skin, dried fish, and stir. I will add the rice, which is nicely washed, the rice of the dadawa, hot water, and stir. The water should be a little bit above the rice. The steam is what will cook the rice. I'll add the smoked mackerel fish, which is nicely deboned, and I'll be cooking the rice on a medium to low heat for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is ready. I'll cover it with a parchment paper to trap in the heat and cover the pot. 15 minutes into the cooking, I will stir the rice very well together. At this point, you can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed, and the rice is not yet cooked. I'll cover it again, leave it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will add bell peppers, basil leaves, and stir. At this point, the rice is soft enough. This rice smells amazing. It looks amazing. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. I will stir the rice very well, and I will turn off the stove and I will serve. The rice was very, very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.